Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel Tech Treatment, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very high quality screen replacement for your iPhone 8 Plus. It's by SpiDoc and they're on Spidermall.com. So if you guys are looking for a very high quality screen replacement for your iPhone at a very affordable price, SpiDoc is the way to go, and I'll have them linked down below in my description box at Spidermall.com if you guys are also looking for a screen replacement. And the two very great things out the door that I liked about this company is that they offer a 6-month warranty for their screen. Anything goes wrong, whatever it is, they will issue you a new replacement. And the second thing is they also buy back your old screen. They will offer you a free quote and you decide if you want that credit applied, or they'll just ship it back to you. So that's a really great thing. Instead of just discarding the old broken screen, you just give it to them and they'll pay you money for it. So yeah, I think it's a win-win situation. And now, without wasting any time, let's get started with the screen replacement. So here's my screen replacement. I'm going to be replacing the screen on this demo iPhone 8 Plus that I have. I've already removed the old screen. It's pretty simple. You just remove the 2 screws on the bottom and then pull the screen up. So here's what comes in the box. Before installing this new screen, I'm going to just remove any tape that I see. And for this, you just want to be very careful, as these flex cables are very, very thin and sensitive. And then this red protective layer as well. So my new screen replacement by SpiDoc has all the necessary cables on the back. All I have to do is remove the camera from my original screen, and as well as the home button. And both of these things are held on by a couple of screws, and the screws will come off. I'll have links down below to the tools and everything as well. But once you have them off, it's just plug and play. You just push them into place and tighten up the screws, and same with the home button. And so now what we're going to do is connect all these small flex cables. So now what I'm going to do, snap the screen into place. And as you guys see right here, the screen's going to basically lock in from each corner as you push it in. And you want to do the top and the sides first, then go to the bottom towards the charger port. As you guys see, all the way around, my screen is completely sitting in. And now all we have to do is remove this protective layer on top of our new screen. And here it is. And I gotta say, I've done plenty of screen replacements, and these are one of those screens that are very top quality and top notch. I can just tell by just like clicking on the screen. So if I'm typing, like, I could tell it's just like the original screen that I took off of the iPhone. I really want to give a big shout out to SpiDoc for sending me this iPhone screen replacement and the demo phone as well. And again, I will have links to them down below in my description box. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy screen replacement for your iPhone. And if you guys did, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.